Leesville Road High School in Wake County reported a case of whooping cough pertussis affecting a student. Symptoms include intense coughing, runny nose, and low fever, with a significant rise in cases among school-aged children. Vaccination is crucial, as only 49% of cases were up to date. Prompt antibiotic treatment and home care, such as using humidifiers and staying hydrated, are recommended. Wake County Health Services has reassured families about health precautions to protect students from further spread. Community awareness is key to preventing whooping cough, especially among infants and children.